This week on The Wire, price rises defy economists, interest rates stay on hold, and prices will rise in 2022. G'day guys, my name is Tim Guest and welcome to The Wire, the week in real estate where you can get all the top stories happening this week in real estate, finance, investment and more. Our top story for this week, price rises defy economists. So the smaller capital cities and key regional areas are leading the strong price growth that continues to sweep across Australia in defiance of claims by economists that the boom is over. So the 1st of February report on prices from CoreLogic shows that 8 of the nation's 15 major jurisdictions recorded house price growth of 1.8% or more during January, which annualised, means a growth rate of above 20%. Now, the outperformers in January were led by Brisbane, which rose 2.5%, followed closely by Adelaide and regional South Australia on 2.3%. Now, regional Queensland grew at 2.2% and regional Tasmania 2%. Canberra, regional New South Wales and regional Northern Territory all rose between 1.8 or 1.9% in January. Now, the underachievers still grew. Sydney at 0.8%, Melbourne 0.5% and Perth at 0.7%. In annual terms, Brisbane leads with its median price up 32% in the year to the end of January. And regional New South Wales is up 32%, while regional Tasmania and Sydney have both risen by a little under 30%. Now, Adelaide and Canberra have risen 28%, with Hobart and regional Queensland up 26%. And now, guys, for our next story, interest rates to stay on hold. So despite many analysts warning of the possibility of an interest rate rise, the Reserve Bank ruled at its February meeting to keep the official rate on hold at 0.1% and reiterated that the rates will not rise in the near term. Now, Mortgage Choice CEO Susan Mitchell says RBA Governor Philip Lowe has ruled out a cash rate rise until national wages growth is materially higher than it is currently and is keeping to that promise. Now, Bluestone economist Dr. Andrew Wilson described the constant speculation of an upcoming official interest rate rise as clearly nonsensical, while Real Estate Institute of Australia President Hayden Groves also doesn't expect rates to move anytime soon, particularly in light of the latest CPI numbers. He says the CPI increase of 1.3% in the December quarter and 3.5% for the year points towards relatively stable monetary settings for the rest of 2022. Now, speculation of interest rate rise has done little to dampen the property market, with CoreLogic data showing house prices rose another 1.3% in January. And now, guys, moving on to our final story of the week. So prices will rise in 2022. So even if the RBA did decide to increase interest rates this year, it is unlikely to have any impact on property prices. Now, CoreLogic Head of Research Tim Lawless says it generally takes a year for multiple interest rate increases to flow through and affect property prices. Now, Lawless says quite often it's not just one rate hike or one rate cut. Rate moves happen in sequences or cycles. Now, the latest Finder RBA cash rate survey of 36 commentators and economists finds that most believe house prices will continue to increase this year as labour shortages and supply chain issues affect the construction industry. Now, Finder Head of Consumer Research Graham Cook says that while price growth may not be as explosive as it was in 2021, it will still be significant in 2022. Now, the survey forecasts that Brisbane will experience the largest property price increases in 2022. And the CoreLogic data published this week shows that Brisbane rose 2.5% in January alone and 9.1% in the past 3 months. Well, guys, they are our top stories happening this week. Now, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video and follow or subscribe wherever you're seeing this. Have a great week. And remember, guys, there is only one thing in life that makes a difference, and that's action. Thanks a lot and bye for now.